Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best toys are probably one of the most exciting and important purchases you'll make for a 10-year-old girl, as this is a pivotal age where imagination, creativity, and learning begin to intertwine in fascinating ways, and finding the perfect gift can spark joy, encourage new hobbies, and foster essential developmental skills, making it a truly rewarding experience for both the child and the gift giver alike. Number 5. Original Stationery Ice Cream Slime Kit. Get ready for hours of imaginative fun with this delightful ice cream-themed slime-making kit. It's designed to spark creativity and let kids design their own unique, scented slimes. This comprehensive 31-piece set includes everything needed to create custom slime. You'll find glues, activators, colorful mix-ins, scents, and all the tools for endless customization. More than just a toy, this kit encourages critical thinking and creativity. Kids can experiment with textures, scents, and colors, developing decision-making skills as they design. Dive into a world of sensory exploration with this interactive arts and crafts kit. It provides satisfyingly stretchy and squishy textures for truly engaging play. Looking for a unique gift? This DIY craft set is ideal for birthdays and special occasions. It even comes with a storage container to keep all the fun organized for future use. This kit offers a fantastic creative outlet for kids, teens, and even adults. Enjoy making and playing with your custom creations again and again. What we like? This kit offers a creative and sensory experience with its DIY ice cream slime. If you are looking for a fun, hands-on activity that allows for customization of scents and textures, this is a great choice. It's perfect for kids who enjoy arts and crafts and want to create their own unique, sweet-smelling slimes. What people say? This is a great toy for a 10-year-old girl. It is very educational and fun. The toy is well made and durable. It is also very engaging and keeps my daughter entertained for hours. My daughter loves this toy. She has learned so much from it and it has helped her develop her problem-solving skills. Number 4. Hollyhi Stone HS210 Mini Drone Pink. This mini drone is incredibly easy to get started with. You can toss it to launch and enjoy exciting maneuvers like circle fly and 3D flips. Its auto-hovering feature makes it stable and simple for anyone to control. With 3 different speed modes, this drone is perfect for beginners and more experienced flyers alike. It offers a customized flying experience for all skill levels. Plus, multiple drones can fly together without interference thanks to its 2.4 GHz remote control. Safety is a top priority with this drone. The propeller guards protect both the user and the drone from damage. In case of any issues, the emergency stop function ensures it lands immediately, providing peace of mind. This micro drone is incredibly compact and portable, making it easy to take anywhere. Bring it to parties, school, or on your next adventure for endless fun. It's the perfect gift for birthdays or holidays. The package includes everything you need to start flying right away. You'll get the drone, transmitter, multiple batteries for extended flight time, charging cable, extra propellers, and a manual. Get ready for hours of entertainment. To ensure the best flying experience, especially when flying multiple units, power on and pair each drone and its remote control separately. This prevents any frequency confusion and guarantees smooth operation. What we like? This mini drone is designed for ease of use and safety, making it ideal for beginners and younger children. If you want a drone that is simple to control, offers different speed options for progressive learning, and has protective features for safe indoor play, this is the one. It's a fantastic gift for kids who are curious about flying and want a fun, portable toy. What people say? The product is very easy to assemble and use. It is a great toy for developing creativity and problem-solving skills. The quality of the materials is excellent and it seems very durable. Number 3. Hollyhi 58 PCS Kids Washable Makeup Toy Set. Discover a world of beauty with this comprehensive makeup kit, designed just for kids. It's everything a young aspiring artist needs to explore their creativity. Crafted with safety in mind, this pretend makeup set is made from non-toxic, washable materials. You can play with confidence, knowing it's gentle on skin and easy to clean up. Keep all your beauty essentials organized and ready for adventure. This compact set comes in a handy carrying case, making it perfect for storage and travel. More than just makeup, this kit encourages fine motor skills and imaginative play. Follow the included tutorial or create your own looks, just like mommy. Looking for a special gift? This beautiful makeup set is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. It's the ultimate present for girls aged 3 to 12 who dream of becoming a princess. With a wide variety of colors and tools, the fun never ends. And when playtime is over, it all washes away easily with soap and water. What we like? This is a comprehensive and safe makeup set for aspiring young cosmetologists. If your child loves to play dress up and experiment with makeup, but you want a non-toxic, washable, and easy-to-organize option, this kit is perfect. It encourages creativity and fine motor skills while allowing them to mimic adult makeup routines without the mess. What people say. The product is well made and durable, perfect for active play. It has a unique design that stands out from other toys. The interactive features keep children engaged for hours. Number 2. FLASHDASH Flashing Cube Electronic Memory Game. Introducing the FLASHDASH Flashing Cube, a 4-in-1 handheld game designed to boost memory and focus. It's the perfect cool gadget for kids and a fun family activity. This electronic brain game cube is designed to enhance your hand-eye coordination, reaction time, and memory. Its compact size makes it perfect for travel, and it's powered by 3 AAA batteries. Test your speed, focus, and accuracy with fun reflex games like Chase and Catch Me. Press the red lights fast, dodge the green, and grab the blue to win each round. Improve your pattern recall by mastering the Follow and Remember Me modes. These engaging STEM toys grow with your child's skill level, offering continuous challenges. After each round, hit the Light Show button to enjoy a fun display. It's great for family games and suitable for both kids and adults of all skill levels. This compact, 2.75-inch cube is built to last, similar to a Rubik's Cube. It makes a top-rated gift for anyone who loves challenging light-up or sensory toys. What we like? This electronic cube is a fantastic tool for developing cognitive skills in a fun way. If you're looking for a challenging game that boosts memory, reaction time, and hand-eye coordination, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for kids who enjoy brain teasers and STEM activities, and its compact size makes it great for travel or on-the-go fun. What people say. This is a great gift for a 10-year-old girl, she loved it. The product is well made and has a lot of fun features that keep kids entertained for hours. It's a perfect size for little hands and easy to assemble. Number 1. YOFUN Unicorn Night Light Craft Kit. Unleash your creativity with this all-in-one craft kit. Your child will love assembling their very own beautiful unicorn night light, and be amazed when they see it glow. Looking for a unique present? This unicorn night light craft is an ideal gift for girls of all ages. It's a fun activity that also brightens up any room. No need to worry about complicated steps. Our kit comes with detailed, image-guided instructions, ensuring a fun and frustration-free crafting experience. Enjoy the convenience of battery operation with no messy cords. The LED light's battery is easily replaceable, so the magic can last as long as you need it. We are committed to your satisfaction. With a 30-day return policy, you can buy with confidence. Let your child's imagination shine as they create their own unicorn night light. What we like? This craft kit allows children to create their very own unicorn night light, offering a magical and personalized touch to their room. If your child loves unicorns and enjoys hands-on crafting projects, this is a wonderful choice. It provides a rewarding creative experience and results in a functional, decorative item they can be proud of. What people say. This is a great gift for a 10-year-old girl. The toy is well made and durable, perfect for active play. It encourages creativity and imagination, providing hours of entertainment. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.